how to remove echo from the voice of your Microsoft Teams interface. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can remove echo from your Microsoft Teams meeting. So, if some of the participant or you yourself are getting any echoed voice in the Microsoft Teams meeting, then you can use this feature that is called the remove echo feature, which is present in the Microsoft Teams, in order to remove that echo. So let me show you how you can do this and improve the meeting experience of yourself and your colleagues. So in order to do this, the first thing that you got to do is click onto this more actions tab at the top position, and once you will do this, you will see a menu that appear, and from this menu you will need to click onto audio settings. So simply click onto audio settings and it will open audio settings page over the right hand side, and from here, if you can see, you can see the advanced settings, and under the advanced settings you can see the second option, that is high fidelity music mode. So you can see that it is currently disabled. So in order to remove thus or suppress the echo, you will need to enable the high fidelity music mode first, and once you have enabled the high fidelity music mode, you will see this option, the second option, that says disable echo cancellation. I mean, enable echo cancellation. So this will basically disable all of the echo that you will be hearing. So in order to enable echo cancellation, you can simply click on to this check mark, and now your echo cancellation is successfully enabled in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give this video a like and also smash that subscribe button. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful and nice day ahead.